Alright you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are replacing our Max Air fan. If you guys didn't see the last video, we unfortunately are having the green light of death voltage issues with the Max Air fan that we just bought not even 2 months ago. So we're going to replace that. I called Max Air, told them what's going on, and they sent us a brand new one. So it arrived yesterday. We're going to replace it and hopefully we can get back out on the road. If all goes well tonight, we're going to pack up the van and try to camp somewhere tonight. The first step would be to just remove the old fan, which is only supposed to be 4 bolts, Andrew said. So hopefully that should be easy, and wish us luck that it all goes well and we can go camping tonight. So hopefully we just got to remove these bolts or screws. Alright, so all the bolts are out. Now we should just have to take it off. Is it unplugged? Okay. The wires. That's what I'm saying. Don't be like us. Okay. Alright, I got a hole in the van. That's it? Alright, that was the last screw, and now what? Just test it?
Now we just have to test it.
Alright, fingers crossed this works. Moment of truth, we just plugged it all into our little battery here, and I just have to push this power button, right? Alright, here we go. I'm nervous. Alright. So far, so good. Alright. I'm going to turn it up a little bit because it says to run it for how long?
24 hours at 100%.
24 hours?
So
then we can't go camping.
That's what the break-in period is that we saw, remember?
Alright you guys, it's been a couple hours and the fan seems to be working. We checked it in the manual and it doesn't say anything about having to leave it running for 24 hours. I honestly don't know where we got that from. But yeah, we ran it for like 5 or 6 hours and it seems to be working fine. It's a lot later in the day, but we're gonna just head north. We have somewhere we have to be later this weekend, so we can't go too far, but we're just gonna head north and see where we end up. I have no idea where we're gonna sleep, probably a Walmart or something like that. I think it would actually be cool for you guys to get a chance to see what it's like to sleep at a Walmart, since I failed to document it the last few times. I don't know, I guess we'll just see where we end up. Alright you guys, we think we have made a decision. I think we're actually going back to the same place that we were in the last video, which is like the Port Huron area. We didn't really want to drive super far. We don't have a lot of daylight left. There's like an hour left, so I think we're going to camp at the Walmart in Fort Gratiot. So for right now, we're just going to kind of roam around towards the lake. I don't know if we're going to cook or if we're going to just get food. To be honest with you, we didn't pack anything grocery-wise, so we'll have to buy something at Walmart if we do. But yeah, so a little bit of daylight left. We're driving through downtown Port Huron right now. Going to go check out the water and then probably head over to Walmart. Just got ice cream at Milk House Cafe, which is this really cool, like, I don't really know, it's a farm slash flea market slash they have fresh ice cream. And yeah, we made it there just before they closed. The sun is setting behind us. I don't know if you can see it there. Oh yeah, you kind of can see it. The ice cream was amazing though, so now we need to figure out dinner. So we're gonna head to Walmart and probably head inside and buy some groceries in there and figure out something. Most likely probably tacos again. There she is, home sweet home. So I don't know. It looks like probably over here is where they want us to park with all the semis and stuff. I'm assuming they want us to park right here. So I guess we're gonna do that for right now. Alright, so we made it to Walmart, and I don't really know, it's not as clear. We're definitely the only people here. You can't see anybody else, so we just kind of park next to this semi, and hopefully that's alright. Not right next to it, but near this semi, right next to a tree, and it's actually a pretty decent spot. So let's turn on this fan, though, before we start sweating, because even though the sun's down, it is still, wow, it's still 81 degrees. Yikes. Yeah, alright, I'm already sweating, so we're going to plug this thing in. Should be good. Yes. Alright, so we have it on air out. We're going to suck out all the air, and we're just going to kind of get situated in here because you probably can't hear us now, but we're going to get ourselves ready, and then we'll put our window coverings up and get into stealth mode now that it's dark out. Everybody can probably see in here right now. We got somebody that pulled up right there and is just creeping. But I guess it's open until 11, so there's going to probably be people creeping around. But yeah, this is our setup for now. We're starting the process of putting our window coverings up, which we put on all of these windows all the way around the back. And then we have a curtain that we put right across there. And yeah, after we do that, it's pretty stealthy in here. And I'll show you guys a clip of what it looks like outside. You can't see anything when there's lights on. And these are just made of Reflectix, and we cut them ourselves. We plan to get fancier with like some kind of fabric or something, but for now, they're working good. Set. Andrew's putting up our curtain over there, and we're gonna be officially in stealth mode. I guess the next step is to get some food because Walmart's gonna close. This is a Walmart that actually closes at 11 p.m. I did call ahead, and they do allow overnight parking. They told us just to park in the back, so we're gonna run in there before they close, grab some stuff to make some tacos just because it's gonna be quick, and head back out here and cook. And I probably will use the bathroom in Walmart just before they close. That's one nice thing about having Walmart. But we did actually buy a toilet. I don't know if you can see it. It's sitting right there. It's a little foldable, collapsible toilet, and it was like 20 bucks on Amazon. Literally, we just unfolded it, but this folds up in the size of like a laptop sleeve. And yeah, it's just a little toilet. It's got a bag in there, and we double bag it and use wood pellets with it, and it works great. Way better than anything we've ever used. Way better than anything I've ever used. I know guys have a really easy time, but going to the bathroom in the middle of the night when you're in these stealth situations really sucks. So having something like that is great. The wood pellets work amazing. Way better than kitty litter or anything else that I've really heard other people suggest, but it just doesn't have a smell at all. And we throw it away in the morning right when we wake up. And why I like that is you can throw it away really anywhere because it's a tiny little bag. You can fit it in a grocery bag, the trash. So I don't know how that's going to go. We've only used it a couple times, but the one night that we did use it, it was amazing. So yeah, I think we're going to head in Walmart, use the bathroom, and grab some groceries. All right, and there's the van, and all of the lights are on in there, and the fan's going, and you can't even tell with the window coverings and the shade on. So works perfect. Really, the only spot you can see in is right here where we have the window open, but that's all right. And like I said, there's the trucker friend, and we seem to be the only ones here. Looks like some kind of RV has showed up over there. There's a truck over there, this semi, and there's a van over there that I don't know if they're camping or not, but I like our little tree spot. All right, groceries have been acquired and we're gonna get everything set up and cook some tacos. All right, dinner is served, and Andrew even made fresh pico de gallo. They didn't have cilantro, but still looks amazing. I know we have tacos probably in every single video, but it's just so easy.
Pretty good.
It is so good with pico de gallo. I'm just now getting into the vegetable game with hot things. For some reason I had a weird thing with vegetables being on burgers or on hot sandwiches, but I've been loving the pico de gallo on the tacos lately. So, but one day we'll figure out something and we'll have more than just tacos on here, I swear. If we could have brought the pizza oven and cooked the pizza oven right outside at Walmart, we would, but someone actually just pulled up right next to us, in a spot right next to us, which is kind of weird because in every other time we've camped at a Walmart, no one's parked anywhere near us. And then today, someone parked right next to us. And their car's full of stuff too. So, I don't know. We're going to eat this and then we're going to get ready and finally relax and just chill. Oh yeah, we had some neighbors next door, but they've been pretty quiet, so we haven't been able to hear anything. I don't know if they're sleeping in it or what. They're still in the front seat, but they pulled up and it was a super loud truck. We thought it was a semi, and we looked all around and couldn't find them, and then we realized they were right next to us. But they've been super quiet. We haven't been able to hear anything, so hopefully it stays that way. So here's our dishes situation. It basically consists of paper towel, wiping them clean of everything first, and then food safe wipes. So
pretty much any non-Lysol wipe or anything that has bleach in it and harsh chemicals, that's what you want to be using to clean your food stuff.
I've seen a lot of people use Lysol wipes and stuff to clean their dishes. Definitely don't do that. You should use hot water and soap, but we just don't have and want to deal with that right now. So for right now, the food safe wipes and the paper towel have been working good. I'm going to put a link in the description to the food safe wipes too, because we didn't even know about those until someone told us about them. So clutch. It's actually cooled down quite a bit in here. It's less than 70 outside now, so with the fan blowing air in, it feels amazing in here. And I am so tired. We cooked dinner so late tonight, but so far so good. It's very quiet. There's one person next to us and that seems to be it. We haven't heard anything from them, so yeah, I'm pretty tired, and the sun is going to be super hot tomorrow, so I have a feeling we're going to be woken up pretty early to the sun blaring in. Even though the windows are covered, since we took out the headliner without any insulation here, this basically is like an oven. If you touch this when the sun starts to come out, and even for a couple of hours starts hitting it, it gets hot. So it is 12:38. It's late. We ate way too late, and we just have been kind of relaxing, and I'm ready for bed now, so we're going to do that so we can wake up and go swimming and hopefully not die in the heat. Tomorrow will be the first test of really being in the van in a really hot day, so wish us luck, and I'll keep you guys posted if anything happens tonight, but so far so good. It seems to be pretty chill, and yeah, so we'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. All right. Well, good morning. Poor Andrew, turning on the camera as soon as we wake up, but we survived the night, and the fan is all good. It seems to be good. It didn't wake us up in the middle of the night with the green light of death, so hopefully that means we're good. And it was pretty cool in here. It was 72 degrees last night, and with the air pulling in, it was perfect. But I will say that it's 8 o'clock now, and the sun's been out for a couple hours, and it's already pretty warm in here. So, yeah. But no complaints. All of our neighbors are still here. There was no noise, except there was some kind of street sweeper or something last night that came right at 1 o'clock, right before we went to sleep. But it actually wasn't that loud, so not the end of the world. But it's weird because the one time we decided to film our experience at Walmart, there's like all these people, a street sweeper. Normally it's very peaceful and we just pull up and park. But yeah, not too bad at all. All right, coffee is made and it's definitely getting warmer in here. We still have all of our like window coverings on and stuff because if we didn't, it would be a million degrees in here. It's really only like 70 degrees outside, but it's, like I said, this is hot and it's only 9 a.m. So I think we're gonna get all of our stuff together, get ready, and we're just gonna start heading north on M25 and go find somewhere to jump in the lake and just relax. And since I recorded that in the last video, I don't think I'm gonna really record that, so I'll probably just end the video here. Just wanted to kind of show you guys what it's like to camp at a Walmart, and this was a lot more of an eventful time. Like there was a lot more people, there was a lot more things happening, but honestly, when it's summertime and the sun goes down at like 10 o'clock, the last thing we want to do is try to find somewhere to camp. So Walmarts have been coming in super clutch, and camping in people's driveways, all of that. Just having to find a campsite in the middle of the night after you have had like a long day out in the sun, it's not really the best. Especially up in the thumb and close to Detroit, there's not much free camping to choose from. So we're just gonna hang around here for a couple days and finish testing out the setup. But so far, the fan seems to be working good. The toilet worked amazing. So now I think we know the few changes that we need to make before we go on a longer road trip, like probably getting some curtains, because taking up and down these window coverings is kind of a pain in the butt, but it works much better than curtains, especially for keeping in the heat. But I'd like to have the option to just pull curtains closed if we need to quickly change or do something back here. So yeah, we're just gonna kind of try to enjoy a few days of van life without recording it. That's gonna be it for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed and it was a little bit insightful as to what it's like to sleep at a Walmart. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.